What's up, y'all? So it's officially been 2 weeks. This is day 10 of the $100 to $1,000 challenge. Now, when we started, we actually started with $97. Okay. Then we got up to about 120. Okay. Or actually, no. No, I probably got up to like 120, 100, 105. But because I sold a position that was worth $20, which put me up to 120. So we started at 97. We got to 105. Now we're back at 90. Guess what happened? So yesterday I lost $15. Today I lost $15. So really, we're down $30. And so, because yesterday I just made bad decisions. I averaged down and I did all this and that. I went all in on stuff, so I wasn't following rules. And I say in a couple of videos back, I had these rules, say I have to stick to them and all this stuff, and I didn't. And I did an experiment today, and the experiment was if a position hits 5%. Okay, that's basically like my mental stop is like 5%. Like if it hits 5%, I know I did something wrong, right? The entry is just wrong. So I just get out and we'll look at re-entering. Right? That's what that means. And the next rule is to take only 10% of your portfolio on each trade max. It means if I have a $1,000 portfolio, I can only take $100 on each trade. That way, if 5% gets absolutely destroyed for some reason, I only lose 10% max on the trade. I don't lose boom of my entire portfolio, right? Anyways, so we're starting clean again. We're starting clean and we're theoretically down $7 in total for the entire start of the challenge. Painful. It's painful, but I've got 3 very solid rules now because the 5% thing worked. When a stock hit 5%, that was basically an indicator for me. I got in at the wrong time. I need to just get out of the position. Right? Really, 5% is the cap. As like if it hits 5, I want to catch before it hits 5%. That I entered wrong. That's gonna help me get really good entries. Okay. And it worked today. I checked it out, and yeah, I got bad entries. I got really bad entries when I was hitting 5% on each of those. I knew, okay, holy crap, what's going on? So I'm a little more conscious now. Okay. Anyways, let's recap some of the trades. I took some screenshots. We're gonna start with ALZN. Okay. As you can see, stock runs pre-market. I recognize this dip here. I see that it's starting to bottom out. It's starting to make a double bottom, okay? And this was very exciting for me, so because this also was rejection here. This also had rejection. So this more or less led to this. So okay, great. Looks like a fantastic trade. Went ahead. And as you can see, stock just goes barely down before shooting up. And I took my profits on that, okay? Here's the next trade. I bought here so this was the pre-market. You see we're falling from that time, I think. And then this is a market open. I'm buying at the end here, waiting for it to rocket after hours or something. And I'm not following the rules, close all positions in a day. Now I'm following all of them no matter what. I realize how important they are because I don't want to lose $30 like how I did. That was a painful lesson. Okay, this account has to stay alive so we can grow this account. Anyways, got in here. I actually don't remember what I did, so let's see. Okay, I didn't take the next screenshot, but I do remember what I did. I actually had to get out at a loss. It started to double bottom here, but let's look at ALZN right now so we can check it out. What was it? It goes like, yeah, I think it was around here or something, or anyways, but I got out of the loss. So another loss there. Then what else? Okay, I think that's it for ALZN. Yep. So let's look at BFRI. This was one trade. I really like this trade. I saw the dip here, and I put it on my high watch list. And this is now a high watch. This means that this stock is going in the direction that I'm concluding it's going to go, and it does. And I get out for profit on that jump pre-market. CELZ was another trade that I took. As you can see, it's starting to show strength after this downtrend. It shows strength. Pops up. I anticipate the breakout. Where's my anticipate the breakout, and it doesn't break out. Okay, now I actually didn't get very good screenshots, but let's look at the price. Okay, the price here is $2.44. The price of this other one was $2.69, and I had 4 shares of it, so I lost about $1, something like that. Yeah, kind of painful, but that's okay, you know. If it would have been on my 5%, if I would have respected the 5%, I wouldn't take the loss. It would have been a bad entry. I would have gotten out. Okay. Next one, GRTX. I think I made a little bit of money on GRTX here. As you can see, starting to show strength. I get in. And actually, let's see. So I sold it actually. I collected my profits here. So this is where it starts. See that big drop? We'll just reference that there. And it's starting to show strength here, as it is. And then I think I collect profits here. Collect profits there. Go down. Actually, no. I collect profits here, I think. And then I let it rebound, come back. And then I wait. And then eventually I get another play and take profits there. Again on GRTX, as you can see, the stock was downtrending today after those moves in the morning. Tried to come back in, and I actually got filled there. Got a good, got some good money there. And that's it for GRTX. IINN, I think this was a losing trade today. I actually ended up buying over here at the tip pre-market. Don't know why I did that. And then ended up selling right before after hours due to the close all positions end of day rule, and ended up with a loss on that. Forget how much it was, but it was a little bit. MIND, also a loser. Let's see. So it's coming down. I see it spiking up. Oh, where is it? Oh, it's NES, but here's MIND. Coming down, anticipating the break to 218. Doesn't break. End up at the end of the day with $1.68 for my shares, and suffered a pretty big loss there. And this one is NES. I need to move that. Let's move that real quick. Yes, that's next anyways. So let's check it out. I put in a position. This might have been Oh, okay. This was right before I took profits because I was suffering. This is the huge loss I was talking about. And then I made some of it back pre-market. Okay, then I tried to come in again. Didn't come out for a win. Look at these. Yeah, so there's my loss there. You see, I didn't get that. Ended up holding it till 178. So big problems there. PRPL made money on this one. Saw the strength, put the stop or put the limit order, got filled. It was that easy. PTPI, I think I made a little bit of money on that one. Saw the strength, was willing to take it, and I got filled. Okay, so yeah, I just got filled slightly above my position. I made money, but not much. And then, yeah, so this was my watch list essentially. It was CELZ, NES, MIND, EFOI, IINN, MDJH, RELI, BFRI, and PRPL. All right, there is the recap for today. As you can see, I was buying the peaks, and that's something that I like about having these order books available now and having this be NBBO, National Best Bids and Offers, because it shows me if I think the stock's still going up, I'll just look at it. I'll look at the NBBO and see what kind of orders, what the time and sales are doing. See what it's looking like, you know, is there starting to be rejection, and then I can make my plays around that. Anyways, we're gonna really work on that. It seems like I'm making a lot of good 10-cent to 80-cent plays. I'm not seeing very large growth. I happen to enter wrong when I look at wrong growth. So if I just respect those 10-cent to 80-cent plays, it's usually going to be 10 to 30 cent, but 80 cents is like the cap. You know, it's usually like, oh, if I get 80 cents, I'm like, whoa, that's a nice move. The 10 to 80 cent plays, and then yeah, seems like that's what's working for me. And if I get about 10 of those, right? 10 30-cent ones is $3, 10 80-cent ones is $8. If I can do $8 a day, that's like 8% of my account a day. I'll do more than double it in 2 weeks. So if we made 5% every day since the start, account will be at $200 from now. And it is not. So we messed that up. It's okay. We are fixing it. We're making notes. Let me go ahead and write in the journal right now. 1214 minus 1612. Big loss. All right. No problem. Because tomorrow we're gonna hit it even harder. So yeah, I'm gonna try and document it a little better. Don't know how I'm gonna do that, but I'm gonna figure it out and see how I can make it more favorable. Okay, I'm out of here. Peace out, guys. Thanks for watching. See you next time.